So time and work. So again, time and work. The speed of efficiency. Efficiency is related with what? Speed. And time and work, because in a time and distance, what happens? Time, distance, speed. Okay. Time, speed. So higher the time, lower the speed. Lower the time, higher the speed. Even time and work also. The efficiency of work related is connected with the time. So higher the efficiency of work, lower the time one takes. Lesser the efficiency, higher the time is being taken. Okay, this is very quite common things like that. Okay. Now in a basic input is what? Assume that is a person is interested with the work to complete that project work in 10 days. A person is interested with the work to do in 10 days. What is his one day work? What is his one day work? One day work is what? 100. A person is interested a work to be completed in 10 days. A person is interested with a work to be completed in 10 days. So what is his one day work? One day work is equals to 1 day, 1 out of total days supposed to be done, 1 by 10. If it is like that, 2 days work. 2 days work is what? 2 out of 10. You can simplify out, that is equals to 1 by 5. In the same way, 10 days work. 10 days work. 10 days work is equals to 10 by 10. The work is completed 1 by 1. So it is a 1 work. Whole unit is called 1. That's a very basic structure this is. Even sometimes, see, government will ask the contractor to finish the work, construction of a metro station in a certain period time. The contractor will say he needs 100 days to complete the work. 100 days. It's 100 days and with 25 workers. He has 25 workers. With the 25 workers, he can finish that project in 100 days. The government will say, elections are coming up, we wanted to show something to the public, and see, you finish the work in 50 days. So what 50 days means, what happens? He is supposed to finish that 50 days because of the government order. Then how many workers are required? See, and then how do you arrive to 50? No. See that. See, you have to see how many work days is required. There are 100 days is required with 25 workers. It means this can be done 100 into 25. It means what? 2,500 work days is required. 2,500 work days is required. Just has to be finished in 50 days. It means what is the total required days? Work days is what? So much, and 50 you have to finish it like that. Then, so 50 workers are required. This is another thing, it's efficiency. Okay, you have to multiply, you can finish it up. See, here you can take therefore 100 into 25. You need not to multiply the value, that is, because that is layer. How many work? 50 days need to be completed. You will get number of workers. What is the number? This is another thing, that is right. Now efficiency, when it comes to efficiency, we will see that what can be done for this. Now right now we can see The efficiency of two workers A and B are in the ratio 5:4. So A is to B. Efficiency of work. Efficiency is what? That is a speed. Speed. That is what? 5:4. Right. Like A can do a piece of work in 12 hours. A can do a piece of work in 12 hours. It means he can finish the work in 12 hours. B can do it in 15 hours according to the question. B can do it, okay, that is not given question, that is the B can do it in how many hours? This is the question. The very basics we need to know, okay, right. 5 is the ratio of work. What is the ratio of speed of work? Speed of work. Speed of work is what? Efficiency. That is what? Efficiency. Efficiency is what? 5:4. This is A and this is B. Okay. Once we need understand that we don't write so much of things also. And time, because 12 hours is what? Time. And you have to convert these ratios to the time ratios. Speed of work. Now time ratios. Time ratios. Time ratios is what? 4:5. Time ratios are 4:5. If there are more than 2 people, then you have to do the LCM, that is. Or you can say inverse ratio. This time ratios can be written as 1/5:1/4. Reverse ratio. It means if nothing is there, means we write like this. 5/1, 4/1. Time ratios, reversing the ratios. 1/5:1/4. You can convert it to natural numbers. So what is the LCM? LCM is what? 20. And 1/5 multiplied by LCM. And 1/4 multiplied by LCM. This is the 4 and this is the 5. This is the time ratios. Just like that. Okay, if there are 2 things only in conversion straight away. More than 2, then you have to go to the LCM. Okay. Now what is information is provided? A can complete work in 12 hours. So A can complete 12 hours. In how many hours B can complete? What is the time ratios of A? 4x. In terms of hours, 12 hours. You can LHS equal to RHS. So 4x equals to 12. It means what? X equals 3. And what is the time ratios of B? 5x. So 5 into 3, so it takes 15 hours. So 15 hours is the correct option. Did you understand? Should I explain that is?
No. I did it as A is 5 into 12, sir. 5 into 12 divided by 4. You will get 15 hours. Correct, sir?
Why did you do that 5 into 12?
Because they are asking them
no, that
A can do a piece of work in 12 hours.
No, that is not the correct. See, first the basic structure is what? Now it is okay. But some other problems you cannot do straight away like that. What is this is the efficiency, speed of ratios, speed and time, interrelated what that is. You have to convert these ratios to the time ratios. If there are more than 2 ratios, then you cannot do that. This is the speed ratios, efficiency of ratios is the time ratios, reverse ratio.
So you have to convert speed ratio into time.
Yes. That is first thing. Sometimes we get answer directly, but not always. That's not always that is. That's why let us not jump into that thing. Okay. Yes. Now we can say it means nothing is there means 5/1, 4/1. Reverse ratio means what? 1/5, 1/4. It's like that. If there are 2 ratios, straight away you can interchange the numbers. But what is the procedure? You have to calculate the denominators, converting the denominators, fractions into natural numbers with multiplying the LCM of the given numbers. That is the. If there are 3 ratios are there, like speed ratios of 3 people are there, is given. 2:3:4. What is the time ratios? What is even this problem is same for even time, distance, speed also. 3 ratios is what? Time. It means then nothing is there means you can say it like that. Reversing the ratio, 1 by 2 is to 1 by 3 is to 1 by 4. LCM. What is the LCM of 2, 3, 4? 2 and 4, 4 is the LCM. 4 into 3, 12 is the LCM. And 1 by 2 into 12. Okay. 1 by 3 into 12 and is to 1 by 4 into 12 is like that. 6, this is the 4, this is 3. The time ratio or 6 is to 4 is to 3. This like only 2 ratios are there means just reversing it. More than 2, again it's a procedure of LCM we can take like that is easy always to calculate. Okay. You do everything very logical manners, not just adjusting the numbers. That put us in trap. Now, A and B can complete a piece of work in 15 days and 10 days respectively. They contracted to complete the work for 30,000. The share of A in the contracted money will be okay. So now we can see A and B. If A takes 15 days time, B takes 10 days time. They contracted to complete the work for rupees 30,000. What is the share of A will be? What is the share of A? Let us see. 1 day work of A. 1 day work of A is what? 1 by 15. 1 day work of B? 1 by 10. Or see now, what is the money? How do you solve that is? The total contract money is what? 30,000. Again, you need to convert into ratios also. How do you convert into ratios? Even if both of them will finish the work for what? 15 by 10. LCM is 15 and 10 is what? 30. 2 is to 1. It means you can take 2 plus 1. 3 by 10 or 1 by 10. Three by 30. Anywhere, so we don't get. How do you do that? Efficiency of work is required. Okay. Instead of C, A is to B. What is A can complete the work in time. This is the time. 15 days is to B can complete the work in 10 days. Now ratio, speed of work is required.
Sir, 2 plus 3 ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ವ sir?
Yes.
Sir, not that sir.
This one, 2 plus 3, this is what? 5. So you can see 5 right there. 1 by
6.
this is 1 by 6. You keep it aside, that is okay. Yes. Now time ratios is what? 15 days is to 10 days according to the question. Now you converted it because money is to be distributed how? Based on the efficiency of the person. So efficient speed of work is what? Reversing the ratios. 10 is to 15, 5 2s are 5 3s are 2 is to 3. Now what is the value of x? 5x equals to what is the money? 30,000. This is the lengthy process. You should not do this. 5 by 30,000 by 5. How much you get? 6,000. What is the ratios of A? Question is what? A. What is the ratios of A? 2. Therefore, 2x equals to 2 into 6,000. It means what? 12,000. But this is a lengthy process. You should not do this. What to do now? Very quick method. Okay, this is not applicable. Right. Now we can see what is the time ratios of say 2. 2 out of total ratios. 2 plus 3. Into what money is there? 30,000. It means 2 by 5 into 30,000. Right, this is the thing. This is the finding x value, then arriving to the answer. This is straight away we are calculating. Even averages also we did like that. This is the finding x value, arriving to the reality. Here straight away we are avoiding the finding x value. This is the very straight answer. This process is everywhere, we can see in the ratios, percentage, averages, even you can see the profit also, partnership basis. Right, of course, now this is not required for us actually. We don't need this. Right. Next. A, B and C can do a piece of work in 12 days, 80 days and 30 days respectively. If they work together, find the ratio in which the amount is to be distributed. Now see the question very carefully. Yes, what is to be done for this? A, B and C can do a piece of work in 12, 18, 30 days respectively. There are 3 people, 3 times are given. If they work together, all of them working together, find the ratio in which the amount is to be distributed. It means the ratio only we do. Nothing is asked. Only thing is asking the ratio of sharing of money. Sharing of money based on is what? Efficiency of work. Now how do you do the like 1 by 12, 1 by 18, sorry. First let us take what is this is 12 time. Time ratio is what? 12 is to 18 is to 30. Okay. Speed of ratios, efficiency, that is efficiency of work. Reverse ratio, no? 1 by 12 is to 1 by 18 is to 1 by 30. What is the LCM of these 3 numbers? Highest number is what? 30, 60, 90? No. What is the LCM of these 3 numbers? 60 is not possible. 90, no. 120, 150. What is the LCM of 12, 18, 12, 80?
180.
180, na? LCM? Okay. LCM is 180. Okay, but each fraction should be multiplied by LCM.
144 also.
144, ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ. Now 2.
6, 9, 15, 2, 3, 1.
It's over now. 2 into 3 is what? 6 into 12, 36. 36 into 5. 36 into 5 is what? 180. 180. And 1 by 18 into 180. And 1 by 30 into 180. This is a 15. This is 10. This is 6. This is the efficiency of work. Accordingly, money is to be distributed. 15, 10, 6. Option D. See that. What is there? Nothing is there actually. That. Only conversion is required. Now, 12 men can do a work in 25 days. 12 men can do a work in 12 days. 12 men can do a work in 25 days. Right. 25 days. How long? How long means number of days is asked. 10 men will complete the work. This is the information. That's all. It means total men days are required. Total men days is what? 12 men into 25 days equals, if you write the equation, like that we write 10 men into x. We write, if we write the equation, we write accordingly. Now what happens, leave the x there itself, 12 into 25 by 10. Right, how much it is there? 5 2s the 5 5s, 2 1s the 2 6, 6 into 5, 30. 30, option C. LHS equal to RHS also can be written. I have written, showing both numbers, both the methods also. Okay, right. Now we can see, if a job is to be completed in 10 days, if a job is to be completed in 10 days, it requires 270 persons. 270 persons. 180 persons take up the same job. They finish in how many days? Same thing. The total of men days you can take. 10 into 270. So many days we need to complete the job. The same job can be finished in by 180 persons. You will get number of days. If you want to write the equation, how do you write the equation? 10 men into 270 persons equals to what do you write? 180 persons into x. Like you write the equation. If you write the equation, you write the equation accordingly. Right. You try to learn both also. Now A can do a piece of work in 20 days and B in 30 days. In how many days will both working together finish the job? 1 day work of A plus 1 day work of B. You will get to 1 day work of A plus B. What is a 1 day work of A? 1 by 20. Because they are working together, plus. What is a 1 day work of B? 1 by 30. Right. So, what is the LCM of 20 and 30? 60. 60 divided by 23, 3 into 1, 3. 60 divided by 32, it means 5 by 60 equals to 1 by 12. 1 by 12 is the 1 day work of A plus B. Total how many days takes? Total means how do you take? Denominator is the total days. It means 12 by 1, the 12 days it takes. Both of them can complete the work in 12 days. Denominator is always for total days. Numerator is always what? Number of days they do that. So 1 by 12 is the 1 day work of A plus B. Total days means reversing the denominator, fraction, 12 by 1. Always you have to see this is. Okay. Now, A can do a piece of work in 4 days, B can do it in 12 days. How many days will they finish the work working together? Again, it's the same thing. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 12. What is the LCM of 4 and 12? 12 is the LCM. 3, 1, 4 by 12, 3 by 1, 3. Right. 1 by 3 is the 1 day work of both people. Reversing the fraction, total days that is. Now, 2 pipes can separately fill a tank in 3 hours and 12 hours respectively. If both the pipes are in operation, the tank will be filled in. 2 pipes can separately fill a tank in 3 hours and 12 hours. If both the pipes are operation, okay, again. But this is speaking in hours. 1 hour work of pipe A and 1 hour work of pipe B. What is the one pipe is what? 1 by 3, 1 hour work of pipe, plus another pipe is 1 hour work of pipe B, that is 1 by 12. And see the 3 and 12, LCM is what? 12. 3, 4, 1. Five by 12. Total work is what? 12 by 5. Now simplify it. 5 2s are 10, Huh? How much it will come? 2.4. 2.4. No, it is not there. No? 1/3, 1/12, both working together it will be in. Okay. 12/3 is what? 4. 12, 1. So 5/12 is equals to what? 12/5. So options are, I think I don't see. 2 pipes can separately fill a tank in 3 hours. Both the pipes are in operation, the tank will be filled in. That is right. Anyway, you can create one more option and write. Maybe that is half tank. 12/5 into of, it means 12/10. 2/5. Or maybe this is for half tank. The question is for half tank, that is. If it will be in half tank, then it will be all right. Anyway, that is for half tank actually. The question is for half tank. Now, A and B together can do a piece of work in 12 days. B alone can finish in 30 days. A and B 12 days. B alone can do it in 30 days. A alone can finish the work in. Is it, so far we have seen the questions. A alone will complete the work in certain number of days. B alone can do it in a certain number of days. Now A and B together can complete the work in. It means what? A plus B together minus B. You will get A. What is A plus B will complete the work in 12 days. 1 day work of A plus B together is what? 1/12 minus B alone can, what? It means 1 day work of B is a 1/30. You will get A. Now what is the LCM of this is 60 is the LCM. 5, 2, 3/60, 1/20. It means 20/1. 20 days. Option B.
Sir, can you do A 1/A plus 1/B is equal to 1/12?
Yes sir, because that is already given.
That, sir, they are asking.
No, A and B together is given.
Yes, sir. So I took 1/12.
No, how can you take? But how do you decide?
A plus B equals to
Correct. A plus B
Sir, A plus B.
equals to.
number of the total ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟು.
Yes.
ಸಲ 1/2 ಅಂತ ತಗೋತೀವಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
Okay.
So
All right. Only wanted to know A's work.
1/x plus 1/g
Sir, 1/A plus 1/B is equal to 1/12. Answer both, sir.
Okay, fine. But only wanted to find the what is the A alone can complete the
ಸೇಮ್
work.
ಅದೇ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್. 1/12 minus 1/30 ಅಂತಾನೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
Adhe, same, that is the thing. Adhe, same thing only is doing. I am writing in detail, that's all. I am writing in detail. But without detail also you can finish it, that is. Okay. So 1/12 minus 1/30, that's all. I am writing, that's all. Yes. Now A and B together can do a piece of work in 6 days. B alone can do the 8 days. And how many days? Again, it is same question. Numbers are different. What you can do now here? 1/6 minus
1/8.
1 by 8, that's all. The same. What is the LCM of 8 and 6? Like 16, 24 is the LCM. It means 4 minus 3. It means 1 by 24. It means what? 24 by 1, 24. Right. Option A. That's all. 1 by 6 minus 1 by 8. That's all. That's all. Straight away. But we need not to write so much. But only I am writing on the board. That's all. For you, it is not necessary. Straight away you can write the equation. Right now. Sometimes we can form the option also mentally also. No? A tap can fill it. These are very basic questions. This is okay. A tap can fill a tank in 15 minutes while another tap can empty it in 20 minutes. Both the pipes are opened simultaneously when the tank will be filled. Okay. One tap is filling the tank, another tap is emptying the tank. Emptying the tanks you can say treated as minus. Okay. Now what is that pipe A 15? 1 by 15. Another pipe emptying the tank, that is minus in 20 minutes. So 1 by 20. What? What is the LCM of 20 and 15? 60. Minus 3. It means 1 by 60. And 60 by 1, 60. You can also think that is 8, fill the 4 units like that. That also you can treat like that. Pipe 1, the first pipe will finish 4 units in 1 hour like that. That also you can treat that. Whatever the LCM we do that, we get 403, that is all units also can be treated. It is also can be treated as like units. Yes, next one. 2 men or 4 women can do a work in 28 days. How long will 4 men and 8 women? Okay, you convert everything into the men or women, both you can take, either way. So 2 men is equal to 4 women. Okay. Will take how many days? 28 days. Right. How long will 4 men plus 8 women will take to do the work? Then you can treat 2 men is equal to 4 women. You can treat as 1 man is equal to 2 women. This is 1 man. 1 man is equal to 2 women. You can take this. You convert everything into men or women. Either way. Okay. Now let us convert everything into the men. 4 men already is there. 8 women is equal to what? 4 men. This is 8 men. 8 men will take how many days? 28 days. No, sorry, no. This is not correct. Yes. So, like you can take that is 4, 2 plus 2, 4 men is equals to 28 days. It means 4 into 28 by 8. 14 days. 7 days. About 7 days that is. Did we do anywhere error?
Sir.
No. Tell me now. Wherever. Now, see, keep it aside like that only. 2 men. So, what is that is 1 man is equals to 2 women. 1 man is equal to 2 women. If we like that, next step is what? 2 men means like 2 men, the 4 women not necessary. 4 men plus 4 men is equals to how many days? But here 2 men will take 28 days. Now we can solve 2 into 28 by 56 by 8,
sir.
4, 7. That's right, no? 7 days.
Sir, but
Sir, but ಮೇಲೆ men
2 men or 4 women.
Yes, sir.
It means 1 man is equal to what?
ಅದೇ ಸರ್ ಬಟ್ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ವಿಮೆನ್ ಮೆನ್ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಲ್ಲ ಸರ್
Men. 4 men means how many women?
4 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ 4
Okay, you take whatever way like, I don't know, just see that. You men is there, you convert men or women? 4 men
ಪ್ಲಸ್ 4 men
plus 8 women is there.
4 men
This is equals to 4 men. Again is a 4 men. See, this is how many days. But here 2 men is there. 2 men will take 28 days.
ಸರ್ 2 men ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 women ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಸರ್ 2 men ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 men ಅಂತ
So,
ಸರ್
no, 2 men or. That's why I write equals.
Sir, sir, remember sir, 4 men plus 4 men is there, sir.
Hmm.
Can you write, because we have already equated in the above,
Hmm.
2 men is equal to 4 women.
Hmm.
Can you write it as 2 plus 2? ಕೆಳಗಡೆ 2 plus 2, 4 is equal to 28 by 4.
Yes.
ಹಂಗ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು.
Yes. In number of forms you can do that. 2-3 methods you can do that. Only thing is you can convert directly to the men. Women can be converted into men can be converted into women. Sometimes you will see the fractions. That's why that time we are supposed to write like this also. Because this is the natural numbers are there. There is no problem. Sometimes you will see these fractions. Okay, even if you convert everything to the women also, will say the same thing like that. That 4 women is there. 4 women is equal to, if you take odd, 4 women takes 28 days. 28 days. But 4 women and 8 women, like 4 women can be converted to that is
8 plus
so 8 plus 8, 16. No? 4 by 4 into 28 by how many? 16. 4, you will get 4. See, either way you can take it, whatever possibilities you can say. Choice, that's all. Right. A alone can do a piece of work in 8 days. B alone can do the same work in 24 days. Working together, again, is a very, already we did good number of questions on this. 1 by 8 plus 1 by 24, right? 24 you can see, 3 plus 4 by 24, so 1 by 6, 6 by 1 and 6. Right. A and B can do a piece of work in 15 days and 30 days respectively. Working together, again, do it. This is 1 by 15 plus 1 by 15 plus 1 by 30. LCM is what? 30. 2 plus 1, 3 by 30. So that is 1 by 10. Total days is what? 10 by 1, 10. Right. Okay. Option A. This is option A. If Roger can do a piece of work in 8 days and Anthony can complete the same work in 5 days, in how many days will both them? Again, it's the same thing only. So 1 by 8 plus 1 by 5. What is the LCM of 8 and 5? 40. This you can see 5 plus 8, 13 by 40. This is the total work is what? 40 by 13. 3, 1 by 13. 3, 1 by 13 days. Option B. Option B. A and B together can complete a piece of work in 15 days and B alone in 20 days. In how many days A alone can complete the work? A and B minus A plus B together minus B. You will get A. I think question is repeated, I believe. I don't know. Write 1 by 15 minus 1 by 20. LCM is what? 60. 4 minus 3, 1 by 60. Total work is reversing the fraction, and so 60. Option A. Now, A alone can complete a piece of work for rupees 300 rupees in 6 days. A. Six days for rupees 300. Right. But by engaging an assistant, the work is completed in 4 days plus assistant in 4 days. Find the share received by the assistant, like that. So A's work is given, amount is also given. With the help of assistant, he finished the work in 4 days. Then how do you take like that? But total, both of them work together for 4 days. So 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6. The assistant's work will be known. So what is the LCM? 12. This is 3, 2, 1 by 12. Assistant work is 1 by 12.
Sir, amount, sir. Amount received by the assistant.
Yes. First, then you have to do that ratios. You have to convert. You have to convert the ratios now. Then only you can finish the work. A alone can complete a piece of work of 6 days for 300 rupees, but the engaging assistant, the work is completed in 4 days. Find the share of. Now, what you can do now? See, A can complete the work in 1 by 4, both of them is to 1 by 6. 26, 6 is to 4. This is the efficiency of work. And 4 out of 10. What is that? What is the money is given? 300.
Sir,
120 is.
Sir, can you do it like 300 divided by 6, sir?
Okay.
Each day 300 divided by 6.
300 divided by 6.
Each day will be 50.
Each day 150.
50, sir.
50. Okay.
Each day will be 50.
That is 50. Okay.
So, but the work is completed in 4 days.
4 days.
Into 4.
Into 4. 200.
So, 300 minus 200 is 100.
300 minus 200 is 100.
This is the
Assistant's money this is.
Can you do it like that, sir?
Yes. That's an arithmetic style, that is. Arithmetic style we can do. But equation how to write, that is. I am only thinking that. Okay. And see how we can take. No, what is the assistant? How much assistant will get? How much assistant will get? See that. He saved the 2 days, that is. Okay. Like see 1 by 4 is to 1 by 6. What is the LCM of 4 and 6? What is LCM of 4 and 6? 12 is the LCM. 1 by 4 into 12. Okay. 1 by 6 into 12. 3 is to 2. 3 is to 2. And what is yeah, this is some will put confusion. No? You can 2 of 5 into what? 300, no? 60, you get 120. 120 means you can say the pad is long. Somewhere, I see some error somewhere in my doing. No? Okay. What is that error? You can see that 1 by 4 is to 1 by 6.
Sir, ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ sir?
Yeah, you can do it. But what are the options are there? This is the option. 400, 300, 200. What is option given there?
D, 100.
100 is there.
Sir, but logic.
That's what. I don't think that is. He said arithmetically she said that is.
Sir, amount is 300, sir.
But what he says like that because the total money is for 300. That is for 6 days.
Yes, sir.
Is given. It means per day how much he gets is what? 6. Per day he will get 50. But they finish the work in 4 days. So that is 400 he gets.
200.
A gets 200.
But that is the total amount, no, sir. 300 minus 200.
Minus 200 that is. The arithmetic mind is this is okay. But only thing is converting the ratios of.
6 days divide ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ 4 days conversion ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
4 because of 40.
But he work for only 4 days. No?
4 days.
ಅದೇ ಸರ್.
If A alone, if you see.
4 days ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ per day ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ per day income ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
But no, because the assistant is involved. No?
ಅದೇ ಸರ್ ಅವಾಗ
That balance money should be given.
ಇವಾಗ per day income ಎಷ್ಟು 70
Yeah. No. See, for example, I take up the work. I get what is the total contract money? 300 rupees. If I finish the 6 days work, I work for only 4 days because with the help of my assistant. And now what is my money will get if I work for 6 days? That is 50 rupees. When I work for 4 days means what? 50 into 4, 200 rupees. Balance money should be given to whom? The person who is assisting me.
Yes, sir.
But only thing is I am writing how to write the ratios. This is. That's what I am thinking. Arithmetically that is correct. Arithmetic is what mentally working. Arithmetic is totally mentally
Makes
working.
sense also, no, sir.
Yes, definitely is. But only I am looking at how to write the equation for
In
that.
ratio.
Ratios. Ratios, how can you work for that? Like that is say 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6. All right, I can take 1 by 4 is to 1 by 6. You can say 20. Oh, this is 6, no? 12. 12 means what? 3. 3 is to 2. 3 out of 5 into 300. 60 into 180. Somehow it is not happening for me. Anyway, we'll see later on. Sometime we'll see that. Yes, next. A can do a piece of work in 4 days, B in 5 days, and C in 10 days. Find the time taken by A, B, and C to do the work together. Again, same thing. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 10. 1 by 4, 1 by 5, 1 by 10. Okay, what is the LCM of everything? I can say LCM is what? 20, 5 plus 4 plus 2, 11 by 20. Reverse the fraction, 20 by 11 and 11 ones are 11, 9 by 11. 1 9 by 11, 1 9 by 11 days. You will see that none of this is the only option. You have to see that question how to write in ratios, that is. These people are asking in Kannada. A and B undertake to do a piece of work for rupees 600. A alone can do it in 6 days, B alone can do it in 8 days. With the help of C, they finish it in 3 days. There are 3 people you can take. So, A and B undertake to do a piece of work for rupees 600. A alone can do it 6 days, B alone can do it in 8 days. With the help of C, they finish the work in 3 days. So, what is that? 1 by 3. 1 by 3 minus what is A alone can do it in 6 days. 1 by 6 minus 1 by 8. Right. What is the LCM of this thing? 16, 24 is the LCM. 8 minus 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3, 1 by 24. 24 by 1. It means then equals to 24 days. But money is given there. Now find the share of each. Okay, find the share of each. How to do then now? Find the share of each. Find the share of each means options are not like that, you know. Do you see the same options there?
Yes.
Like this? Find the share of each means 3 options are required actually there. A and B.
75, sir, but I don't know.
No, that's okay. But see, find the share of each means 3 amounts are required here. 3 options must be required. No, there is one option is there. There must be some error in the question. A and B undertake to do a piece of work for rupees 600. A alone can do it in 6 days, B alone can do it in 8 days. With the help of C, they finish the work in 3 days. Then how do you say that is 1 by 3? 1 by 3 minus 1 by 6 minus 1 by 8. What happens if you do like that? You will get to C's amount you will get.
Sir, you do plus 1 by 8, sir.
Which one?
1 by 6 plus 1 by 8.
No, if you do like that means you are supposed to write like this. Plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 8. Both has to be subtracted from this. You will get to C's work. You have to put both in brackets. If you don't put brackets, straight away you can subtract. A and B undertake to do a piece of work for rupees 600. A alone can do it in 6 days, B alone can do it in 8 days. With the help of C, they finish it in 3 days. Then you have to see the fraction of amount. So 1 by 3 minus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 8. What is the LCM of these 3 items? 3, 6, 8, 16, 24 LCM. 8 minus 4 minus 3.
144.
LCM is how much?
144.
No. See, multiples of 8 is 24. 24 can be divisible by 3 as in 6 also. Then see 1 by 24. This is the C's work. 24 by 1. What C's work this is? C alone can do it in 1 by 24. He says that is what is the find the share of each? It means 1 by 6 is to 1 by 8 is to 1 by 24.
Sir, most have to find the share of C irutte sir.
There must be.
So 75 barutte sir.
Yeah. Some error. There is an error like that.
Yes sir, last time ಮಾಡ್ದಂಗೆ 600 by 6 per day ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು.
Okay. Okay, this question is okay. Just this is see the ratios now. If the C alone can finish the work in 24 days, if you look at it. 24 means what happens now? 1 by 6 into 24, 1 by 8 into 24, 1 by 24 into 24. 4 is to 3 is to 1. See, what is the money total? 400. 4 out of 8 into 600. So how much? 2, 300. This is for A.
A share.
A share. This B, you can say 3 out of total ratios. How many? 8 ratios into 600.
225.
Like 8 7s are 56. 225. Yes, you are right.
C is
Now C is, but see, what is the C share? 1 by 8 into 600 is what?
75.
75. Actually find the share of C.
C.
That is the thing. But if you see, look at 325, 225, 75. 300 plus 225 plus 75 is what? 600. That is right. Okay. Anyway, let us see. Find the share of not, this is the C actually. Find the share of C. Yes. Now, A can do a piece of work in 7 days for 9 hours each, and B can do it 6 days of 7 hours each. How long will they take to do it working together? 8 2 by 5 hours a day. Now, how do you do now? How do you solve? How do you try to solve this? A can do a piece of work in 7 days, 7 days, 9 hours. 7 days, 9 hours. This is A. And B can do it in 6 days, 7 hours a day. 7 hours a day into, you have to put like this. And how long will they take to do the work together? 8 2 by 5 hours a day. Both A plus B will take 8 2 by 5 hours per day. Number of days is what? Like that. Now everything you convert into hours now, no? So this is what? 63 hours. This is 42 hours. Can you solve it now? A can do a piece of work 7 days of 9 hours each day, multiplied total 9 hours per day. It means 63 hours it takes totally. B can do it in 6 days of 7 hours each. 6 into 7, 42 hours. How long will they take to do it working together? 8 2 by 5 hours per day. Total, then you have to take how? A plus B you have to take, total you have to do. So 1 by 63 plus 1 by 42. How much it will come? What is the LCM of 63 and 42? 63 and 42. Both are multiples of 3, no? 3 2s, 3 4s. And that's all, no? No. 3 2 3. 7. 7 3 7 2s. So this over. 3 into 7, 21. 21 into 63 is equals to what? 126. 126. 126 hours are required total, both of them together. But divided by 8 2 by 5 hours. Like 8 2 by 5 hours. It means what? 126 by 42 by 5. In next step is what? 126, reversing the fraction, 5 by 42. 42 ones are 42 3s are 3 into 5. It means 15. Option we don't see, no?
Sir, ನೀವು ಬರೀ LCM ತಗೊಂಡು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಆಗಲಿ.
Yes, correct. 126. This one, no?
1/53.
Yes, LCM I have not taken. 126. 126 is the LCM. This is 2 plus 3. Correct, no? Yes. Where I missed?
Now you do, sir.
Yes. Without doing LCM, I am jumping on to another step. Okay. Total days is what? 126 by our work, total work. Divided by, what is that? Divided by 42 by 5. Take next step, 126 by 5 into 5 by 42. Yes. This is 3 times 1, 3. Yes, 3 days. Yes, okay. Already we will come to know. So, solving will be there. Should I write in detail for this? Not necessary, no? Right. Now, Rahul takes twice as much time as Monik and thrice as much time as Sachin to complete a job. If working together, they can complete the job in 4 days. Find the time taken by each of them separately to complete the work. Okay. What is the information you can say? That is, Rahul takes twice. Let us take Rahul takes time as much time as Monik. Monik we can write. And thrice as much as Sachin. 3 people are there. Now we can, how do you write now? If working together, right. Rahul takes twice as much time as Monik. Let us say X. He can take 2X, correct? Time as Monik and thrice as much time as Sachin. Thrice as Sachin. See, now you have to change the numbers. But it's compared with what? Who's in that is? Rahul takes as much as time as Monik and thrice as much time as Sachin. It's compared with Rahul only. If you take this is X, for this it becomes 3X. Twice should happen. Now slowly you have to change that. Decimals you avoid. So now 2X you can take. This becomes what? 6X. Here it becomes 3X. Like 6 is to 3 is to 2. This is the ratios time. Right? If working together, they can complete a job in 4 days. Now we can take 4 days. Total they take is a 4 days time. Find the time taken each of them separately working. Yes, how much that is. But 4 days is given. Then how do you do now? So what is the total ratios? 9 to 18. You can take 1/6 plus 1/3 plus 1/2. What is LCM? 6, 3, 2 plus 3.
1, 6 LCM. 1 plus 2 plus 3.
Yes. See, LCM is what? 6 only.
1
This is the 1 plus 2 plus 3. 3/6.
Sir, LCM is 6.
3 plus 6. How? 2, 3, 6 LCM is highest number. What is the largest number?
Sir, 18, sir.
No. See, 6, 3, 2. What is the LCM? 2 3s are 3. Retain 2 one side.
3 1 2 6.
Is a 6. Because largest number is 6. 6 is a multiples of 3 as well as 2. So 6 can be the LCM. Yeah, now you have to tell me now. I am unable to understand here.
6 by 6, 1.
6 by 6. You'll get 1. But it's a 4 days is given. But that's mentioned is in hours, no? They can complete the job in 4 days. Find the time taken by each of them separately to complete the work. 24, 12, 8 hours, 8, 12, 24 hours. Only A, only B. So yes, even I am unable to do it. Now tell me now. Thus ratios is
options ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ A ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ only A.
If you look at only how 24 8
twice 24 ಇದೆ. 8 ಗೆ twice.
Yes, because if you go by the options, what options is 632 ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ?
Sir.
What this is 63, this is what 24, okay. This is 12.
It is twice, sir.
This is 8.
Right,
6
sir.
this is into 4.
6 4 sir.
If you look at this 60 to 4. This is into 4. This is into 4. One option. Like according to you, that is. That see 2. 24. This is the thrice.
Thrice. B is twice.
Twice. No. This for B is a twice.
Twice,
this is thrice.
Condition satisfied.
Condition will satisfy like that. So it's by going by options. It means even so much of work is also not required actually. That is. The so much of work is also not. Only thing is we need to find the ratios. Even so much also it is not required.
Sir, but ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ
No, because see that, because you see Rahul takes twice as much time as Mani and thrice of Sachin. So even this type of questions we have seen, we have witnessed in average, no? There are how many people are there? Rahul, Manik and Sachin. Says what? Rahul takes twice as much time as Manik. Like let us say 1x. Twice, so let's say 2x. Okay. One more. And it says, and again it talks about Rahul only. Rahul takes thrice as much time as Sachin. Sachin with thrice should be. Thrice means how do you write? Very difficult, right? Let us put 1x. Like thrice to 3x. For this part, for Manik it says twice. Twice, how can you write 1.5 you have to write? So decimal you don't write. Like, you take 2x. Okay. And here is what? 6x. This is a 3x. Like that. 632. 632. If you see the options like that. 6 4s, 3 4s, 2 4s. 1. Or you can see here also 24 is the
Sir, I think it should be 6x, 2x, 3x.
Yes. 632, that is the ratios. If you take first option is what? 24, that is 12, and another is what? 8. This is into 4, into 4, commonly it should be like that, 1. Or you can take what according to him, he says that is, this is the twice this 12, thrice the 8, it's like that. So that is all. By seeing the option also you can, it means what? Which is the correct one? Only A. Only A, that is. Okay? Yes. Now, A and B can do a piece of work 9 days, B and C, A and B can do a piece of work in 9 days, B and C can do it in 12 days, and A and C can do it in 18 days. How many days will A, B and C finish it? Okay. So you can take A plus B. A plus B is how much? 9 days. So 1 day 1 by 9 you can take. And B plus C. B plus is what? 1 by 12. 1 by 12. And A plus C is what? 1 by 18. Right. Will A B and C finish it in how many days? That is no. Now we can take 1 by 9 plus 1 by 12 plus 1 by 18. Okay. It means how many A's are there? Actually, we are supposed to write this 2 into 2 A's are there. 2A plus 2B plus 2C equal to 1 by 9, 1 by 12 plus 1 by 18, right? Because 2 is common everywhere. Are you clear here? Now you have to see the board, that is A, B, B, C, C. A is appeared twice, B is appeared twice, C is appeared twice. It means 2A, 2B, 2C. But this can be avoided also again. 2 can be taken outside. A plus B plus C is equals to 2 into A, 2A, 2 into B, 2B, 2 into C, 2C. Now we can take 1 by 9 plus 1 by 12 plus 1 by 18. What is the LCM? 36 is the LCM. 4 plus 3 plus 2. It means what? 7, 9, 9 by 36. 9 by 36 means 1 by 4, 4 by 1, 4 days. They will take 4 days time. A plus B, together they are finishing the work in 4 days. But what is the question is B? Is right, that is. But what is the option here then? Working together, but option is not available. You can say none of these. Right. A can do a piece of work in 80 days. Huh? Yes, what is that? Yes, you have to convert the, because time is actually this time. This is the actually this is what time ratios, no?
Time ratios.
This is the time ratios. Speed means reversing the ratios. If the speed ratios is what? Speed ratios is what? 1 by 6, reversing the ratios. 1 by 6 into 1 by 3 into 1 by 2.
Into ratios.
Okay, ratio. Yes. So speed ratios is what? 1 by 6. 1 by 3 is to 1 by 2. What is the LCM? 6.
6, sir. So total 4 days ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ sir. So if we convert to hours, sir, 96 hours, sir.
But time is
because the answer is in hours, sir.
Answer is in hours, that's right.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ sir hours ಗೆ convert ಮಾಡೋಣ 4 days ನ 96 hours ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
96 hours means 24 days, 24 hours per day.
Sir, 24 hours per day.
But where do you write 24? Where it is given?
Sir?
Where it is given?
They will complete the job in 4 days.
That's all is there. Hours are not
If you
given.
convert to hours, it will be 96 hours, sir. 4 days is equal to 96 hours, sir.
Okay, like that you have taken, that is. Without even giving also you have taken. That is.
Equal hours.
Okay, all right, all right.
1 day is equal to 24 hours, sir.
Yes, yes. Okay, that is 4 days. 4 days is equals to what?
96 hours.
96 hours. 96 hours. Next.
So here the x will be 96, sir.
X will be 96 ಇದೆ. This is, where do you write?
Sir, 1 by x plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2x. Addition ಮಾಡಬೇಕು sir. Because they are given togetherly.
Yes.
1 by 6x.
1 by 6
x, sir.
plus 1 by 3, yes, plus
1 by 2
1 by 2
equals to
this is equals to
96 hours.
96 hours, 96h.
So x equals to 96 ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ sir.
X equals to, this is x value.
No sir. 1 by 6 x ಅಲ್ವಾ sir ನಾವು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು. Now we are calculating the ratio, sir.
Yes.
So 1 by 6x plus 1 by 3.
ಅವಾಗ LCM, see only LCM is
96, sir.
So 1 is to 2 is to 3. This is the ratio of speed. This is the ratio of speed.
So now one more doubt. So you method of math.
6.
1 by 6 also should be converted to hours or not?
6 ಏನು? ಅದು ನಾವು ತಗೊಂಡಿರೋದು ಅದು ಅವರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
ಅದು ಅವರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದೆಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಅದು
ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
4 okay.
See, you cannot take 96 hours, that's why.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, we can take not sir.
How can you take? But working hours, how do you take?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, 4 days is equals to 96 ಅನ್ನೋದು.
All right, okay, 24 into 4, 96.
Which means 4 is also equals to 96 only. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು ಹಳೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ ಸರ್,
Yes.
1/6x plus 1/3x plus 1/2x
ಮತ್ತೆ
equals to 96.
No, so just it's going little lengthy one.
ಯಾಕೆ
ಯಾವುದು
x?
ಇದು ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಾಗ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾ. ಇಫ್ ಎ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಿ ವರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್ ಅಂದರೆ 5x ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದು ವೇಜಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ 36,000ಗೆ, ಅವಾಗ 5x equals to 36,000, x equals to 6,000 ಅಂತ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಆ ಥರ. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಸರ್ ಇದು x equals to 96 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Yes.
ಸೊ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಸರ್, 1/6xಗೆ.
36 plus 40, okay.
ಸೊ ನಾವು ಟೈಮಿಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ. ಸೊ 6 into
You write it properly.
1/6 into 96.
You erase that. Then you erase from the top. Yes.
ಸರ್ ಇದು
6x equals
3x is to 2x.
2x.
ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಸೊ 6 into 96 is to 3 into 96 is to 2 into 96. ಸೊ
ಸರ್ 1/6 into 96 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಸರ್.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್. ಸರ್ ಇದು 2 ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, 1 ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. 6
Speed, see, when it is speed means reverse ratio only you should write first of all. Because what is mentioned there is a time ratio. Because time ratio, but speed ratios are not asked there, only the hours only is asked.
Speed ratios we have taken to calculate the value of x. X value calculate ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಇದು 576 is to 288 is to 96 into 2.
He has written about complete one sheet. So he did like a theorem.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 12 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್. 24 ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ 12 ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್. ನಾನು 96 ತಗೋತೀನಿ.
No, you get because I don't say you don't get.
24 is to 12 is to ಇದು
2 ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ.
ಇದು 24 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
No, yes, if you try to write more steps, you will lose the control.
ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ ಸರ್? ಕನ್ವರ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
We have to do that. We'll see later on. Okay. Yes. Now we'll see later after some, or we'll try tomorrow. Now A can do a piece of work in 80 days. He works at it for 10 days. A can do a piece of work in 80 days. He works at it for 10 days. Then B alone will finish the remaining work in 42 days. In how much time will A and B working together finish the work? How do you do now? A can do a piece of work in 80 days. That A is 1/80. He works at it for 10 days. So 10 days. This is the 10 days, okay. And then B alone finishes the remaining work in 42 days. B alone will finish the work in 42 days. In how much time will A and B working together finish the work? Now we can see what. See, A alone can finish the work in 80 days. The 1 day work of A is what? 1/8. But he works for 10 days into 10. It means what happens now? This is 10/80. 10/80 means what? 1/8. Okay. The total work is what? 1 minus 1/8. Remaining work is the 7/8. Remaining work is 7 by 8. The whole work concept is what? 1. But what is the work done by A is 1 by 8. Remaining work is equals to what? Difference between the numerator and denominator, 7 by 8. This is the remaining work. This work is done by B, finished in 48 days.
Plus 1 by 42.
7 by 8, this is the remaining work is equal to, you will finish the work in 42 days. 42, na? Yes, 42 days. It means what? So 42 into 8 by 7, 6. 1 day work of B is 48 days, 1 by 48. But A plus B, like 1 by 80, sorry, not required. But A alone, how many days he works for? A plus B. So A works for 10 days and remaining work done by B, that is how many days he does? 42 days. So, no. So what is it? Wait, B alone finish the remaining work. In how much time will A and B working together finish the work? Okay. No, there are both the meanings. In how much time will A and B working together finish the work? 10 plus 40 to 52 should happen there. Or what? The question is very, that is, even if you take 1 by 80, I have to check the questions, this is little.
Sir, Uncle, sir. 7 by 8 plus 1 by 42.
7 by 8?
Plus 1 by 42.
No, it's not correct. See, I'll tell you, very logical, I'll tell you that is. A, see, if you see the A, look at A, what is the 1 day work of A?
1 by 80.
1 by 80. He works for 10 days. Into 10. So very clearly. It means he did work 10 by 80. In the sense what? 1 by 80 works. Remaining work. What is the remaining work? 1 minus 1 by 8. What is the remaining work? 7 by 8. That work is, that work B alone finishes the remaining work in 42 days.
So 7 by 8 into 42,000
equals. Into, why do you take into? Remaining work is equal to remaining, if you finish the work in remaining days.
80 days. So 80,000.
Yes.
So now 42 days, sir. So the work done.
In the question doesn't say that is B alone can complete the work in 42. Remaining work he completes in 42 days.
Yes, sir. For 1 day portion.
B alone finishes the remaining work.
For B 1 day portion can rest, sir.
1 day work of B means again you have to equate with this.
8 by 7 into 42.
No. See, what is the remaining work?
7 by 8.
8. He finishes in how many days?
42 days.
LHS equal to RHS. The 1 day work of B will be known. See, B's 1 day work is what? B's 1 day work. B's 1 day work is what? 7 by 8 equals, that is 42. And 7 ones are 7 6. There, here also you can finish it up. 6. It means what? 40. 1 day work of 48 days means 1 by 48. The same work will completed by B in 48 days. 1 day work of B is 1 by 48. But in how much time will A and B working together? Together it says that. Together means again 1 by 80 plus 1 by 48. Now LCM is fine. It says because of the together working. What is LCM for this? 80, 48. Both are even numbers. 24, 2 20s, 2 6, 2 10, 2 3. 2 3, that's all.
2 5.
Okay, 2 5s are what will happen? 2 numbers you should see, that is.
Yes, 1 divided by 2.
Okay, 2. That's going very lengthily unnecessary. Again take 5. Right. Like that only it will come. If you see the LCM is what, if they can solve for two numbers, then you can stop there. It goes on like this. 2 4 is to, what is 2 to the power of 4? 2 4 8 is 16, 80, 240. 240 LCM. 240 by 80, this is 3, this is 5.
8 by 2.
That is 8 by 240.
1 by 30.
This is 30.
30.
Then 30 by 1. 30. Do you see the 30 option? Yes. But because of the together, we put 1 day work of A plus 1 day work of B. If together was not given, A finished the work for, did work for 10 days plus B finished the work in 42 days. Both of them together they finished in 52 days. Definitely those questions will not be asked because it is known in the question itself. So that's why they put together. That is okay. Now what is not understood here, you tell me now?
Understood.
Remaining work is equal to
7 by
completed in that LHS equal to RHS, you can see that. Yes. Now A can do a piece of work in 10 days and B in 20 days. They work together for 2 days before the completion of the work. A leaves. In how many days will the work days was the work completed? A can do a piece of work in 10 days. Like A's work is what? 1 day work of A is what? 1 by 10. B, 1 day work of B is what? 1 by 20. And they work together. It means 1 by 10 plus 1 by 20. Okay. They work together, but 2 days before the completion of the work, A leaves.
8 days.
That is the thing.
1 by 10 into 8.
Yes.
Sir, last.
No, A can do a work in 10 days. If A alone can do the work in 10 days, B alone are 20 days.
Yes, sir.
But both of them work together.
1 by 10 into 2, sir.
Before the completion of the work, A leaves.
After 2 days, B will join.
After that last 2 days, B alone only will complete. Will do the work. You have to understand the findings then first. No, you don't do any reverse engineering or whatever it is maybe. Yeah, see, first try to understand the question, then solving can be is okay. See, A alone can do a piece of work in 10 days, right? B alone can do it in 20 days. That's the thing. They work together. Definitely you have to take A plus B you have to take, but it says but 2 days before the completion of the work, A leaves. It means that last 2 days work is done by only B. The last 2 days work is done by B only. Remaining work is done by A plus B. Is it or not?
Yes, sir.
It means what is a B alone will work for last 2 days. What is the 1 day work of B? See, 1 day work of A is what? 1 by 10. 1 day work of B is what? 1 by 20. But B will work 2 days. The last 2 days B alone will work. 1 by 20 into 2. This is 20 into 2. 2 by 20. It means what? 1 by 10. This is 1 by 10.
9 by 10 work together.
This is the work. The remaining work is done by both of them, A plus B. It means 1 minus 1 by 10. So 9 by 10 is the remaining work. Remaining work is done by A plus B. Now we do it now. How do you do now? Remaining work is 9 by 10. So what is that?
9 by 10 equals
1 by 10 plus 1 by 20. 20 LCM, 2, 2 plus 1, 3 by 20. This is one day. Huh?
Sir, 1 by 20 ಅಲ್ಲ sir.
B.
ಅಲ್ಲ. We took no sir 9 by 10.
9 by 10 I have taken here. Remaining work is what?
6 days answer. Sir, 3 by 20 equals to 9 by 10.
3 by 20
Equals to 9 by 10.
3 by 20 equals to
9 by 10.
9 by 10.
So 1 by 6 for the answer.
What's the next step?
Cross multiplication.
Even you can do here also like this, no?
Can you answer?
10 2s, right?
3 2s are 6.
3, 2 into 3,
Six.
6. Just like that. You can see here itself. Instead of writing next equation, right, that is the thing.
Sir, time.
How many questions are left?
Still 50 or sir.
Profit and loss starts.
Next round.
How many questions are profit and loss?
Still 25 more right.
25 then. We should do tomorrow then.